Okay. So in this question, we have already drawn a triangle. In this triangle, we have taken coordinates A, B, and C, and point D, which is a midpoint of this BC, and D is the median of a triangle ABC. We have to prove that the area of red part is equals to area of a green part. So we will start solution. You can see here SOLUTION solution. You can see that the vertex is already given. So we will first of all we will take D midpoint of BC, which is already mentioned in the figure. Your D is the midpoint, is the your mid point of BC, of your B and C. So if it is a midpoint, that means there must be a two coordinates. So we will see the coordinates. That question is clear to you. You can see here the COOR, your DI and ATS coordinates of the midpoint MIT mid point DR. Your x first coordinate is x is equals to your x1 plus your x2 divided by 2, and then your y will be equals to, that is of mid of y, that is of your y1 plus your y2 divided by 2. So you can see here your x coordinate is equals to your 3 plus 5 upon 2y, because it is to be considered x1 y1 and it is to be considered x2 and y2, comma you will have here your y1 is your -2 plus your 2, then upon 2. So your x is equals to 5 6 7 8 4, so it is your 4, and you will get y is equals to 0. So we have two coordinates here. That coordinates I am going to mention here. This x is our 4 and y is equals to 0. It is clear. Now we have two triangles, ABD triangle and ACD triangles, and we have to prove that the area of both the triangles are equal. So clearly AD divides the triangle ABC into two parts. We will mention the line so that you will have clear idea. So CLEARLY. Clearly it is clear that your AD divides DI VI divides the triangle, divides the TRIANGLE triangle ABC into your ABC into two parts, into your two PARTS parts. What are that? That part is, there is what? Your triangle ABD and your triangle ACD. It is clear. Now we have to verify that the area of a triangle, what we are going to, now you can see here, now area of triangle ABD we will see. It is clear. So your AREA, area of triangle ABD, we are going to find out. Formula, I think all of you have learned it. That is of your 1 upon 2. Somebody can say the formula. Bracket open, your x1 bracket open, your y2 minus y3 bracket close,
Y3.
x2 bracket open, y3 minus your y1
Y5.
again, that is of your x2 bracket open, y1 minus your y2, again the bar bracket is closed. So I am going to put the values here. You can just, we will check the value, y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 your y1 minus y2. So by putting the above values, now values, I think all of you have remembered, this will be your x1 at the top. If you see here, I am just going to take you, this is your x1, we will consider it x1 and your y1, then it will be of your x2, then it will be of your y2, this will be of your x3 and your y3. And if we are going to calculate on the this side of, then it will be x1 y1, and we will consider it x2 and y2, then it will be x3 y3. It is clear? So I am not going to write complete elaborated form. We will
Yes,
we
sir.
will put the values from the top. Yes, any doubt? Okay. Now you can see this is our 1 by 2. X1 we have here 4, then bracket open your -2 and your -0, then you have plus the next value you got here 3, bracket open your 0 minus 6, then again it will be addition sign, your 4 will be here, and you will have -6 plus 2 plus 2. Why it is plus 2? Because that -2, once the bracket open, it will be automatically a +2. So you can see here you have half, then first value will be of your -8, then second value will be of your 18, +18. It is clear? +18, and the third value you will have your 4 to 8, 4 4 16, negative your 16 you will have, and it will be equals to your 3 subtraction your half 10 minus 6, so you will have
So
-6 is equal to your 3 square units, 3 square u and I t s units. It will be 3 square units, not -3 square units. Now we will see the another triangle's area, your AREA, area of triangle ACD. We are going to find out the area of triangle. Directly I am going to put the values because the formula is written at the top. So we will hear 4, then somebody's mic is open. Please close your mic. I don't know whose mic is open because voice is spreading. So you just check your mic and close it. Now here you have 4. Next value, this will be +2, and your 5 bracket open, your -6 minus -0. It will be, then it will be of your half, after bracket open, it will be of your -8 plus 8, 4 32, -6 -30, then it will be of your half, bracket open, 30 32 2, 6 minus 6, so it will be -6, which will be equals to your 3 square u and I t s units. It won't be -3. We will ignore the negative sign. We will ignore negative sign because the area of a triangle won't be negative. It is clear? Now from this equation we are going to take first, and this I am going to take second. Now you can see from first and second, after leaving one line, you can see FROM from first and your second. We got, we get what we get, your area of triangle ABD is equals to your area of triangle ACD. Now area of a triangle, both are equal. That means you can write there is a median, ME. Okay, you can write ME, your DIAN, median, DIVIDES, divides the median, divides the triangle TRIANGLE, triangle into two triangles of equal area, TRIANGLES, triangles of EQUAL, equal AREA as areas. So from the top, we will see the complete question. You can see here, question number 5 is the last question of exercise number 7.3, chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. Question is written over here. In this question, we have given A, B, C, 3 vertices, and we have to prove that if we will draw a median, that is of AD, then it will divide the triangle ABC into two equal areas. So the first triangle's area I have marked by the red pen, and the second triangle's area I marked or shaded it by a green pen. So you can see, first of all, as we have taken a point D median on BC, so it is a median. That means it is a mid value between B and C. So the formula of mid value is equals to your x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. So after putting the values 3 plus 5 and your negative 2 plus 2, so we got here that is of your x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 0. So I have mentioned here. Now we have to find out the area of a triangle ABD. So we have already considered this is your x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, that is your, and for the area of this green part that is of your ACD, we considered it that x1 x2 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, and by using the area formula of a triangle we got the values. First value is, it is actually -3, but negative won't, it should be ignored because area can't be negative. So it is your 3 square unit and another one is also 3 square unit, and we can see that both the areas are equal. So we can see that the median of a triangle divides it into two equal area. Anyone can tell me distance formula? DISTANC distance formula, that is of your FORMULA. Anyone wants to let me know what is distance formula? Suppose we are having a 2 point
x2 upon m into m.
x2 minus x1 whole square
x1
plus your y1, oh correction, y2 minus y1 whole square. This is distance formula. In this example we will see EXAMPLE example. Your A coordinate is your 2 comma 4 and your B coordinate is your 4 comma 6. So this will be of your x1, this will be of your y1, this will be of your x2, this will be of your y2. In this case, your distance is equals to DISTANC, distance of AB is equals to your, using the formula, x2 is your 4 minus 1 your whole square plus y2 is of your 6 minus 4 whole square. So you will get here 3 whole square, it is of your 3 whole square plus your 4 2 whole square, which will be equals to your under root 3, 3 times 9 equals to 4. It will be of your under root 13. It is clear? 4 minus 1 3, 3 whole square is equals to 9. 6 minus 4 2, 2 20 is equals to 4. 9 plus 4 13 is equals to under root 13. You got this distance formula with example. Now we will go for the another formula. The next formula I yes, any doubt?
सर 4 minus 2 होगा.
Why 4 minus 2 beta? Okay, 4 minus 2. X1 is 2. 4 minus 2, then it will be 2. And your 2 times is equals to 4. So it will be of your 8. Then your answer will be is equals to under root 2 raised 2. Why? Because we can write 8 into the form, it is of your 2 into 2 into 2. We can take 1 2 out. So answer will be of your this. X1, X2 minus X1, X1 4, 2. It is clear beta. Okay. Now we will go for the another formula, that is, who told this thing? Vamika or Shipra?
Shipra.
You will get extra mark for this. Now you can see here formula number 2 we are going to have. That formula is of your section formula. We will see. It is what? SECTION section. FORMULA section formula is used to divide the line segment into the given ratios. For example, we will see here. Example I am going to take. Suppose we are having a one line. In this line, we have here A, that is of your x1 y1, coordinates are x1 and y1. Then we have another point, this is our B point, and the coordinates we are having here x2 comma your y2. In between we are having a P point. So here also we will have one x and one y. To find out this x and y, we will have the formula. This x is to be find like this, your m1 x2 plus your m2 x1 upon your m1 plus m2. So m1 and what is that m1? That is the given ratio, that is m1 is to m2. Here you may have some number. It is clear? m1 and m2. Here also you can see if it is y, your m1 y2 m1 y2 plus your m2 y1 upon your m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. So we will take one example of this section formula. Suppose here the information we are going to write, that is x1 we are going to take, suppose -1, then your x2, x1 is this, y1 I am going to take 7, suppose it is your -1 comma 7, and your x2 and y2, so I am going to take this x2 we will take 4 and this we will take -3. So you have here 4, x2 and y2 is your -3 and m1 and m2 is 2:3, we will consider is 2:3. So on this basis, the formula we are going to have here, that is of your m1, it is of your 2, and x2 is what, your 4, plus your m2 is your 3, and x1 is -1, and m1 plus m2 2 plus your 3. So x is equals to, you will have 4 2 times is equals to 8, then 3 -3 upon 5. It is clear? So x is your 3 5, it will be of your -5 upon 5, and x you will get 1. In the same way, we will see the value of y in this side. This is the value of y. So m1, again the value of y, m1 that is of 2, and x2 that y2 is equals to -3 plus your 3 and 7 upon your m1 that is of your 2 plus m2, this is of your 3. Y is -6 plus 21, your plus 21 upon 5. So your y is equals to 6, how much it will be, 5 3 times equals to 15. So 15 upon 5, so 5 is equals to 3, y is equals to 3. So this is a section formula. One more formula we have, it is a small formula, sometimes it is used. That formula is your midpoint formula, mid point point formula, formula formula. Midpoint formula is x1 जो भी mid निकालना है आपको, that is your x1 plus x2 upon 2. It is a midpoint. So x mid x, it is mid value of x, and y mid value, whatever the y at the mid value of y is your y1 plus y2 upon y2 is equals to 2. What happened? Anything? This first, your distance formula, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, a and b we have considered as, so here putting x2 is equals to 4, x1 was 2, so after putting it you can see that the value is your 2 under root 2. But section formula is this, we have taken a section formula as a value, then we have gone for a midpoint